So here we are. We're on Lake Harriet, and if you look this way and you look this way, what am I looking at?
Well, this is a path for skaters that starts with a loop by the bandshell and ends with a loop down by South Beach. So it's covering pretty much the west side and the south side of the lake.
And how did we get this path?
Well, pretty much me and one other guy.
And what did you do?
We have been shoveling this by hand using a snow shovel.
Wow.
And scrapers occasionally in some spots, but as I mentioned earlier, the other guy skates, and he does a lot of the shoveling on skates, which can go fairly fast if it's not deep. I haven't skated in about 30 years, but I used to love skating on the lake, and I still like getting out here scraping so other people can skate on the lake. So I hope people get out and skate.
Fantastic.
Here comes some right now.
Yeah, and welcome to Minneapolis. It's 0 degrees outside right now, and we're just really enjoying this wonderful skating trail on one of the city lakes, Lake Harriet. It's quite a tradition to be outside in winter in Minneapolis, and as you can see, there's people that are really enjoying this beautiful trail. You guys having a good skate?
Thank you, we're loving it.
Thanks to this guy.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Me and one other guy mainly, and a few other people have joined it.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
We love it. We were out here yesterday. It's so
Good.
fun.
Yeah.
Cheers.